LECFC News Update.
Palang nito sa inyong lahat.
We are here to inform you the latest and the newest updates on our church.
Naroon muli yung Panginoon sa inyo ang informasyon sa loob at labas ng ating iglesia.
And this is
At ito ang LECFC News Update.
tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating seminar na I'm a Tech Savvy. At ngayon naman po linggo, pag-uusapan natin ang Photoshop o photo editing. Magkita-kita po tayo mamayang alas 5 ng hapon dito po sa ating iglesia.
Kahit kung matuto ng reading, music theory, at skills, mangyari lamang po na mag-enroll tayo after service sa gaganapin na music school. I-approach lamang po natin si Pastora Cecil de la Fuente.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you, 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka na